again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something typical Italian, of course. We're going to make involtini, meat involtini or beef olives, or in my dialect, braciole with roast potatoes. It's easy to do but super taste. We need some, I introduce like always my legendary ninja master chef Enrico. Okay, we need, I gonna do this with some diced beef. I like add some pork belly. The flavor is super with skin, and you know, ask your butcher to give you some steak like that. This is from Chuck. I like this because it's gonna cook around hour and a half in the pot, and later I want to finish this with roast potato in the oven. Anyway, we need beef. I add the pork, it's not obligatory. Some nice glass of red wine, yeah. Some pecorino romano, some salami. This salami, I make this salami, it's like chorizo. Salt, pepper, garlic, and parsley. We don't need anything else. I want to show you what we need, because the first thing we have to do is the beef olives. Okay, I show you one. Sorry, Master Chef Enrico. We put one like that. Salt, pepper, nice. Some parsley, how much you like, eh? I think stuff like that. Even a little bit more. I like parsley. Parsley, we need some garlic powder, or even if you like the fresh garlic, it's okay. A nice bit of pecorino, this chorizo. You can add some ham, you can add some mortadella, up to you. I like this, it's like in Puglia, my mom used to make like that. And you add one nice slice of this chorizo, like that. You know, it's this. I like that. And another step is this. You close, roll it, and we use this, or you have metal one, I don't know. Close better you can. Okay, you do like that. Okay, it's done. Well, if you see some hole like this, you can just eat, you know. Always, guys, we are not master chef. We cook for family, you know, but we cook very nice stuff. Is this. Do all your involtini or olives, and I show you the next step, okay? Guys, the beef olives or involtini, they're ready, or braciole in my dialect, but they're gonna be like that. Now, next step is some olive oil. I like garlic. You can put garlic and onion. I want that as well, some onion. I put garlic and onion. Just chop, just like that. Yeah, this knife is super nice. Okay, just like this, not too little. Inside the garlic and the onion, they cook a little bit. We're gonna take a nice flavor. And now we have the meat inside. This meat, slowly, gonna cook around hour and a half. Yeah, if you're a little bit bigger, it's better, of course. But anyway, now we're gonna cook a little bit this. Lid on. 20, we're gonna brown it very nice, and we're gonna add some wine. We give that flavor with wine. We fix with salt and pepper, and we cook it around hour 30 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later. And I'm gonna do this with some roast potato. If you like, you can add tomato sauce. You make in cooking tomato sauce without potatoes. It's up to you. It's a many version about involtini. I like do it with roast potato. Today gonna be my lunch. Anyway, see you later when it's very nice and brown to add the wine, and I show you on the way what's going on. Okay? So I want just show you is after 10 minutes it's already start be browning. You know how much water from the meat. Now We leave like that, lid off, we wait this water gonna vaporize little bit, and we're gonna add a nice glass of red wine. You know, we leave to cook, and we're gonna leave there hour and a half. I don't know, I'm gonna be precise because the meat is very soft. I don't want overcook this. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, now the meat is brown enough, you know, and it's time to add a nice glass of wine. Again, lid on, stir often. If dry completely, add some water and leave to cook in medium the flame about, I told you, around hour 20, hour and a half. I'm gonna be precise later. I'm start prepare some potatoes with carrots, like my son Enrico like roast carrot and potatoes, and later we're gonna take everything from this pot. We're gonna prepare in one tray to go in the oven. We transfer everything inside and we're gonna cook another like half an hour with potatoes. When the potatoes is ready, drop down and we're going to eat. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, the potato, they're ready. They're easy. I put some rosemary, salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika, the normal paprika, and olive oil. The meat, where it goes now, is the meat is 1.5 hours. 1 hour and a half is I try it, is already quite nice soft. You have to calculate. It's gonna be at least another half an hour in the oven. The oven is already on 200 degrees, and now we straight away we move everything inside. Help yourself. Just put like that. Yeah, you don't have to. Careful. You know the meat is already. It's very tender. The belly as well. With pork is very nice. I use always the paper. Now you put like that. Oh, the smell. Ooh. Now fix a little bit here. Perfettissimo. We need some of this. It's very nice. Now the potato on the top. Just like that. Easy. Fix again by hand. Guys, always if you like, share this video with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. If you have any question, if you like, if you don't like, we are just to do. This guys is ready. Now, straight away in the oven, 200 degrees. I can put a little bit even more of this. In the oven, when the potato they're ready, gonna be around half an hour, 40 minutes. We're going to eat, okay? See you later. Okay guys, the beautiful involtini or beef olives with roast potato is this. It's 20 minutes is out from the oven. I just want to try with you. Wow, look at it. It's something very nice. Oh yeah, super nice. Still very hot. Guys, absolutely, it's like my mom make this. Guys, the beef olives or involtini with roast potato is this. If you like guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao.